OpenAI has flipped the script with a major upgrade, turning ChatGPT from a clever chatbot into a full-blown app hub. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. OpenAI has launched a brand new app directory letting users browse and use tools directly inside ChatGPT. No jumping between websites, no extra downloads. This is the moment many users and developers have been waiting for. Sam Altman has hinted that ChatGPT would grow into a proper platform long ago, and now it's happening. With the app directory, OpenAI has opened up its software development kit so developers can build interactive apps that run right inside the chat. OpenAI has also given its tools a makeover. What were once called connectors are now officially known as apps. Tools that pull in files from Google Drive and Dropbox are now called apps with file search. Research-focused tools are apps with deep research, and synced services are apps with sync. These apps can also tap into ChatGPT's memory feature if users allow it, which means experiences can feel more personal and useful over time. But there's a catch. OpenAI says data from free plus Go and Pro users may be used to train its models if the improve the model for everyone setting is switched on. The app directory already includes richer, more interactive versions of popular third-party tools like Spotify and Zillow. And that's not all. Apple Music has arrived, letting users search songs, manage playlists, and explore their library through ChatGPT. DoorDash is also on board, turning meal ideas into real shopping carts in seconds. ChatGPT isn't just answering questions anymore, it's becoming the place where apps live. What do you think about this? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.